Alex, I had the most embarrassing moment today.
What happened?
I went to a coffee shop and I tried so hard to be polite, and the barista looked at me like I was weird.
What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, sir, may I please have one coffee if you don't mind? I'm terribly sorry to bother you. Thank you so very much for your help."
Oh, Mia,
What? I was being polite.
you were being too polite. That's why it was awkward.
Too polite? That's a thing?
Yes, being too polite in English makes you sound strange, robotic, or even insincere.
But I learned to always say please and thank you and be respectful.
Those are good, but too much politeness actually sounds unnatural. Today, I'm teaching you 10 mistakes people make when they're being too polite.
I need this. I keep embarrassing myself.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia, the girl who's apparently too polite.
Today, we're showing you 10 ways you might be overdoing politeness in English and how to sound more natural and confident instead.
If you've ever felt awkward being polite, you're not alone. Let's learn together.
Please like this video and share it with friends learning English.
And subscribe to LearnFlow English. We upload every single day.
All right, Mia, ready to learn how to stop being too polite?
Yes, help me sound normal.
Mistake number 1, saying sorry for absolutely everything.
But sorry is polite.
It is, but if you say it for everything, it sounds like you're apologizing for existing.
Oh no, I do this. Sorry for walking past you. Sorry for asking a question. Sorry for breathing.
Exactly. Listen to this. Sorry, can I ask you something? Sorry, I need help. Sorry, is this seat taken? Sorry.
That's me.
In English, especially American and Australian English, people only say sorry when they actually did something wrong or need to genuinely apologize.
So when should I not say sorry?
Don't say sorry when you're just asking a question. Instead of sorry, can I ask something? Just say, hey, can I ask you something? Or, excuse me, I have a question.
Just no sorry?
No sorry. Save it for when you actually need it, like if you bump into someone or make a real mistake.
This feels so rude to me.
I know, but trust me, native speakers would think you're more confident.
Okay, what's mistake number 2?
Mistake 2, using please in every single sentence.
Wait, I thought please was always good.
Please is wonderful, but if you use it in every sentence, you sound like a robot or a servant.
What do you mean?
Listen, please, can you help me? Please, I need this. Please, may I sit here? Please, could you please tell me please where this is? It's too much.
Oh, I definitely do this.
Once or twice is perfect, but 5 times in one conversation, it starts sounding strange.
So how do I ask for things without please?
You can just ask directly. Can you help me? Do you know where this is? Is this seat taken? These are still polite.
Just asking directly feels so bold.
That's what natural English sounds like, direct but friendly.
This is hard. What's mistake 3?
Mistake 3, overthanking.
There's such a thing as too much thank you?
Yes, if you thank someone 5 times for the same small thing, it actually sounds insincere.
But I want them to know I'm grateful.
1 or 2 times is perfect. Listen to the difference. Natural. Thanks for the help. Overthinking. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you again. You're so kind. Thank you.
That's exhausting to hear.
Exactly. The other person starts feeling uncomfortable. 1 thank you was enough.
So just thanks or thank you and done?
Yes. Maybe add, I appreciate it if it's something big. But for small things, just 1 thank you.
Okay, I can do that. What's mistake 4?
Mistake 4, using excuse me way too much.
When is excuse me too much?
Excuse me is great for getting attention or if you need to pass by someone, but some people say it constantly. Excuse me, I have a question, excuse me.
I might do this.
For small things, you can just start talking. If someone is free and nearby, you can say, hey, or just start with your question.
What about in a store, if I need help?
One excuse me to get their attention is perfect. Then just ask your question. You don't need to say excuse me before every sentence.
This makes sense. Mistake 5?
Mistake 5, using may I when can I is totally fine.
What's wrong with may I?
Nothing. It's very formal and polite, but in casual, everyday situations, it sounds too formal. It's like wearing a tuxedo to the beach.
May I have some water? May I use the bathroom? May I sit here?
All of those sound very, very formal. With friends or in casual places, just say, can I have some water? Can I use the bathroom? Can I sit here?
Can I is less polite.
It's still polite, it's just natural and relaxed. May I is for very formal situations like job interviews or fancy restaurants.
So, can I for normal life, may I for formal situations.
Perfect, you got it. And that brings us to mistake 6.
What's mistake 6?
Mistake 6, being too formal with friends.
How can I be too formal with friends?
If you talk to your friends like you're in a business meeting, it creates distance. It makes the friendship feel cold.
What do you mean?
Imagine your friend asks, want to grab pizza? And you say, yes, I would be delighted to accompany you for pizza. Thank you very much for the invitation.
That sounds weird with a friend.
Exactly. With friends, just say, yeah, sounds good, or sure, let's go. Casual and warm.
So, I can relax with friends?
Yes, being too formal with friends makes them feel like you don't trust them or you're keeping distance.
I never thought about that. What's mistake 7?
Mistake 7 is overusing sir and ma'am.
But those are respectful.
They are, but in modern English, especially with younger people, they can sound too formal or even old-fashioned.
Really?
Yes, imagine you're at a cafe and you say, excuse me, sir, may I please have one coffee, sir? Thank you very much, sir. The barista might think you're being sarcastic.
Oh no, I don't want to sound sarcastic.
For most situations, you don't need sir or ma'am at all. Just excuse me is enough, or use their name if you know it.
When is it appropriate to use sir and ma'am?
Police officers, military, some customer service situations, or with much older people if you want to show respect, but not with everyone.
Got it. Mistake 8?
Mistake 8 is not accepting compliments properly.
What does that have to do with being too polite?
Being too humble or polite when someone compliments you makes them feel awkward.
How?
Imagine someone says, I love your shirt, and you say, oh no, it's terrible. It's so old. I'm so sorry you have to look at it. I should wear something better.
I have definitely done that.
When you reject a compliment, you're actually rejecting the other person's kindness. They feel bad.
So what should I say?
Just say, thank you. That's it. Or, thanks, I like it too. Don't apologize for something nice.
This is so different from my culture. In my country, we're supposed to be humble.
I understand. Many cultures are like that. But in English-speaking cultures, accepting a compliment gracefully is the polite thing to do.
Thank you for teaching me this. What's mistake 9?
Mistake 9 is saying thank you very much for every tiny thing.
Isn't that being thankful?
Thank you very much is for big things. If you use it for tiny things, it loses meaning and sounds robotic.
What's a tiny thing?
If someone passes you the salt at dinner, you don't need thank you very much. Just thanks is perfect.
So, thanks for small things. Thank you very much for big things.
Exactly. If someone helps you move furniture, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If someone hands you a pen, thanks.
That makes sense. And mistake 10?
Mistake 10, the biggest one, is apologizing for existing.
What do you mean?
Some people apologize for taking up space, for asking questions, for being there. Sorry to bother you, sorry to exist, sorry for breathing your air.
I feel personally attacked right now.
Listen, you have the right to exist, to ask questions, to take up space. You don't need to apologize for being human.
But I don't want to be rude or demanding.
Being direct and confident is not rude. Rude is when you're mean or disrespectful. Asking a question directly is not rude.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, too polite. I'm so sorry to bother you. I know you're busy. I apologize. But if it's not too much trouble, may I possibly ask you a quick question? I'm really sorry.
Oh my gosh, that's exhausting.
Right? Natural version. Hey, do you have a minute? I have a question.
That's it?
That's it. Direct, friendly, and totally polite.
So the secret is being friendly but direct?
Exactly. You can be polite without being overly polite. It's about balance.
Let me see if I understand. I should say please and thank you, but not 20 times. I should apologize when I actually do something wrong, but not for existing. I should be respectful, but not so formal that I sound like a robot.
Perfect. You completely understand.
But Alex, what if I accidentally sound rude because I'm trying not to be too polite?
Just remember, friendly plus direct equals polite enough. Smile, make eye contact, use a warm tone. That's more important than saying please 5 times.
Tone and body language matter more than the actual words.
In many ways, yes. A friendly, hey, can you help me? With a smile is more polite than a cold, excuse me, sir, may I please request your assistance?
That's actually really freeing. I don't have to stress so much about every word.
Exactly. Just be yourself, be friendly, and you'll be fine.
Thank you so much, Alex. Thanks, Alex.
See, you're learning already. Okay, everyone, let's review these 10 mistakes.
Number 1, saying sorry for everything.
Number 2, using please in every sentence.
Number 3, overthinking.
Number 4, using excuse me too much.
Number 5, may I when can I is fine.
Number 6, being too formal with friends.
Number 7, overusing sir and ma'am.
Number 8, not accepting compliments.
Number 9, thank you very much for tiny things.
And number 10, apologizing for existing.
The key is balance. Be polite but natural.
Exactly. And remember, different cultures have different politeness levels. What's normal in one place might seem too much or too little in another.
So when in an English-speaking country or talking to native speakers, follow these rules.
Yes, but also give yourself grace. If you're naturally a very polite person, that's wonderful. Just tone it down a little bit for English conversations.
I'm going to practice. Tomorrow, I'm going back to that coffee shop.
What will you say?
Hi, can I get a coffee, please? Thanks.
Perfect. See how natural that sounds?
I can do this.
You absolutely can. Okay, everyone. If this video helped you understand politeness in English better, please like this video.
And subscribe to LearnFlow English for daily English lessons.
Tell us in the comments, do you make any of these mistakes? We want to hear from you.
And remember, you don't need to apologize for learning. Making mistakes is how we improve.
Well said. Thank you all for watching.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Keep learning.
And stop apologizing so much.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.